Good afternoon, my dear students. Second year GNM students. Today I am going to take foreign body topic, and this topic is taken from Emerson Second ENT. The nose can become blocked accidentally by a substance not normally found there. Such an object or material is called a foreign body. Okay, so foreign body means होता है when the nose become blocked due to any substance stuck into your nose. Okay, so occasionally an object like a bead is put into the nose where it mainly becomes stuck. For example, like button, pea, ठीक है, these type of material, these type of substance may put into the nose and it may become the stuck into the nose. Okay, so this may leads to block your nose. What are the causes? Causes is deliberately means due to purposefully putting into the nose. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कोई सब्सटेंस हम लोग जो है पर्पसली डाल रहे हैं नाक में, ठीक है, तो उसकी वजह से, या हैविंग एयरवे पैक्ड बाय द हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स और हेल्थ केयर सेटिंग्स, और प्लेइंग और रफिंग हाउस, and especially this is occur to the boys children because they are more likely to put objects into their nose. Sign and symptoms: nasal drainage will be there, bad odor will be there, and in some cases patient may also have a blood nose या bloody nose. That means nose will be filled with the blood, and whistling sound will be there, and it will be heard while patient take the breath. Diagnosis: medical history we can take, and physical examination, and special instrument or special lighted instrument we can use to see the inside the nostrils. Under the treatment, we have to encourage the patient to breathe slowly through the mouth. Okay, then gently press the other nostrils closed and have the person blow through the affected nostril if it is known which nostril the foreign object is in. That means अगर जेंटली प्रेस करके भी आप वन नोस्ट्रल्स को कर सकते हैं, जहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट है उसके जस्ट अपोजिट आप नोस्ट्रल्स को क्लोज करके या जेंटली प्रेस करके आप ब्लो कर सकते हो, पर नॉट फोर्सफुली. अवॉइड ब्लोइंग द नोज टू हार्ड, मतलब आपको ब्लोइंग टू हार्डली नहीं करना है. ओके, देन वी हैव टू कंसर्न विद द डॉक्टर्स. ओके, लाइक स्पेशलिस्ट इन ENT डॉक्टर्स. ओके, तो ENT डॉक्टर से हमें कंसर्न करना है. देन डू नॉट अटेम्प्ट टू रिमूव एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज नॉट ईजी टू सी एंड ग्रास्प, मतलब आप ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को रिमूव करने के लिए कोशिश मत करिए जिसको आप इजीली नहीं देख पा रहे हैं. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू अवॉइड some trying methods like grasping the object with tweezers or other tools which can harm the nose. That means कोई grasping objects like tweezers हो गया, जैसे चिमटी, ठीक है, तो ये सारे tools को हम लोग को अप्लाई नहीं करना है क्योंकि it can harm to your nose. Then probing for it with a cotton swab or other tool which may push the object further in. That means कॉटन स्वैब को पुश करते रहना, तो इससे भी दिक्कत होगा. इससे क्या होगा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा वो और अंदर की तरफ में जाता रहेगा, तो और इंजरी करेगा और हार्म करेगा. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंग मेथड डोंट डू इन योर होम. देन स्क्यूजिंग और मैनिपुलेटिंग द nostrils, so this you have to also avoid it. Under the treatment, you have to consult with the doctor. Then the specialist will use the tools to remove the objects, and in rare cases maybe need to be done in the operating room. Okay, and this will conduct by the general anesthesia. Okay, we are giving the general anesthesia to remove the object. Okay, and for the reduce the infection or prevent the infection, we are giving the antibiotics. So here we have seen the definition of foreign body, causes, signs and symptoms, diagnostic, treatment. So I hope you all understood. In other session we will see the deviated nasal septum.